G'day and welcome to Topbuxus Australia. Here's a guide to all the information you may be wondering about Topbuxus Health-mix. We're going to cover some of the common issues that might be occurring with your Buxus, guide you through how and why Topbuxus Health-mix works, plus when and how to apply it, and how to tell that it's having the desired effect on your Buxus. Now first up, your Buxus may be looking a bit less vibrant and full-bodied than desired. You're probably seeing one or more of these common issues. Perhaps your Buxus doesn't have its full green colour and has started bronzing or discolouring in the leaves. Or it's just lost its vigour. You may have noticed a loss in its foliage or be having uneven growth, or are you plagued by an increased susceptibility to pests and diseases? It might even be an onslaught of a few of these, which has you reaching for a solution like Topbuxus Health-mix. To get you started, here's a bit of a guide so you can figure out how much Health-mix you'll want to make sure you have enough to start nursing your Buxus back to life. The 10 tablet pack will cover approximately 100 square metres in total, or 10 applications to an area of 10 square metres of hedging. The 40 pack will cover approximately 400 square metres in total, or 40 applications to 10 square metres of hedging, while the pack of 100 tablets will cover approximately 1,000 square metres in total, or 100 applications per 10 square metres. Remember, you'll want enough to be applying a mix every 4 weeks. Let's take a little look at the science and what exactly is in Topbuxus Health-mix. Our Health-mix contains a perfect blend of nitrogen, potassium, magnesium and sulphur to give a struggling Buxus exactly what it's missing to start promoting strong and healthy new growth. But how does Topbuxus Health-mix actually work to deliver the nutrients? The key is in the foliar spraying application, allowing the nutrients to be absorbed directly by the leaves and starts taking effect in 15 minutes. This bypasses root competition in instances of closely planted dense root systems so that each plant is provided with the nutrients it needs, whilst the Health-mix formula neutralises the pH levels of the water to improve the uptake of nutrients. All of this provides several key benefits to using Topbuxus Health-mix. The perfectly balanced nutrient profile provides peace of mind that your Buxus is getting the ideal blend of nutrients. The soluble solution allows quick release of nutrients and quick absorption through the leaves, making the treatment fast-acting. You'll save time and energy on trimming and shaping as Health-mix promotes uniform growth in leaf and root density. Plus, put your mind at ease knowing that the solution is safe for other plants, pollinators, and your precious pets. For best results with application, we recommend a second application 2 weeks after the first application, then once a month after that to maintain the health of your hedges, or if you're experiencing persistent bronzing not caused by root disease. Applying just before or after rain will mean the stomata on the underside of the leaves are open and primed for optimal absorption. Avoid spraying when frost or snow is present on the leaves, or on days of extreme temperature and high UV. Topbuxus Health-mix can be applied through all 12 months of the year, or extra treatments as needed. You'll know your Health-mix is taking proper effect when you see new growth budding and emerging without damage, a slowing or stop to the bronzing, when yellow tips start to disappear and lime green growth takes its place. The foliage should come back thick, uniform and healthy, with bronze leaves being discarded in favour of new growth. You should see the results in about 2 to 4 weeks during active growing months, depending on your plant's health, of course. For best results, we recommend using our products in combination. And remember, if you're not seeing the results you would expect, feel free to shoot us an email, check out our care guide, or visit our Instagram and YouTube channel for more information. Hope that answers all you need to know about Topbuxus Health-mix and gets you on your way to healthier, fuller Buxus. Happy hedging!